Okay, so in my Nextbot challenge, I died 34 times. So yeah, I'm going to do this Rubik Cube flip for 34 times. Okay, let's see if we're gonna be successful. Okay, maybe it's gonna take days or hours, I don't know, because this is so hard to do. Okay, here we go. One. Okay, 33 more to go. Two. Alright. 2. 3. Okay, I don't know if I can make it. 4. Yeah, 4. Okay, so take this out. Okay, 4. Okay, 4. 4. 5. 5. Okay, 5. 6. Yes. Okay, 6. 6. 7. 8. 8. 8. 8. Okay. Oh, okay. Doesn't count. Doesn't count. Still 8. Still 8. 9. If you can see it, it's here. 9. Okay, 9. 9. 10. Okay, 10, 10, 10, 10. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. Yeah. 14. 14. 14. Okay, 20 more to go. 14. 15. Yeah. 15. 16. Wait, 16. Okay, 16. Okay, that counts. 17. 10. 18. Yeah, 18. 18. 18. Doesn't count. 18. Still 18. Still 18. Still 18. Okay, still 18. Okay, doesn't count. 18. 18. 18. Doesn't count. Doesn't count. Okay, doesn't count. 18. Okay. Well, let's make it doesn't count. Okay. 10. 19. 19. I say that it's hard, right? So yeah. 19. 19. 20! 20! 20. 14 or 14 more to go. 20, 20. 21! Yeah, 21! Why so hard? 21, okay. 22! Yeah! Okay, 22. 2. 23. 3. 24. 25! Yeah! 9 more to go! Woo! 5. Okay, so 26! 27! 7. That counts. 28! 29! 30! Yeah! 30! Woo! Okay. 4 more to go, okay? 31! Or like this. Yeah! 3 more, 31. 32! 23! Last! Okay, so I must reveal that you know, when you do the Rubik Cube flip, you need to, you need a tremendous amount of focus. Okay, so yeah, you need to focus. The last flip. Here we go. 34. Okay. So yeah, I don't know how did I make it happen. So yeah, I guess I did it. I did the punishment. So yeah, see you in the next content. Maybe in the next punishment. So yeah, bye bye. I don't want to do this again.